also known as clown frogfish and warty frogfish because its skin is covered with many small, wart-like protuberances. They are mostly found in tropical and some subtropical waters. They have leaf-shaped appendages over their entire bodies. They are perfectly outfitted to blending. They are mostly found in southern coastline of Australia. It is known for the quantity of silky blonde fur covering legs and claws. They are mostly found in Southern Ocean. These are rainbow-colored organisms, though they look very beautiful, but they are strong enough to break shells of snails and crabs. They are mostly found in Indian and Pacific Ocean. Japanese spider crabs is a species of marine crabs that lives in the oceans around Japan. They have long legs which makes them look like a spider.